When it comes to climate policy, then effective public participation is absolutely necessary because limiting climate crisis will require significant transformations in all sectors of our economy, and it will impact almost every realm of our lives. Therefore, in order for some more strict climate policy to come into force, which is really needed right now, we need public support, but public will not have that support, will not provide that support if they feel that this is something that comes top down, where they're not being consulted. And otherwise, we just risk being stuck with the cycle of populist governments who are unable to make any truly meaningful transformational decisions, and they only care for being re-elected next elections. Also, when public is consulted in a meaningful way, we ensure that all groups of society are heard, are considered, and that will help us address not only climate change issues, but also inequality, and which cannot be divided. If we want to truly tackle climate crisis, we need to simultaneously also deal with inequality.